Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a pretty exciting video. So Redgear India did send me this big package, and in this video let's unbox it and let's see what they have sent. So here goes the first thing. The first thing in the box is a mouse. It's their A10 gaming RGB mouse. Let's open it up. Okay, so it's a very simple unboxing experience, and in the box we have some documents and the mouse itself. It looks quite nice. Also, comfort wise I think the size and ergonomics are pretty good. Okay, just give me a second, let me connect this. Wow, the RGB on this mouse looks quite good, and in terms of specs, it comes with a gaming optical sensor, DPI button to change the DPI anytime. The range is 800 to 24,000. The material used in the fit is really good. The friction is really low, so the gaming experience will be really good. Okay, now let's see what's next. Oh, we have a big box right here. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a headphone. We have the Shadow Helm headphone from Redgear, and I have to say it looks really good. Also, we can see it has RGB on the sides. So let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is how lightweight it is. I mean, it's going to be very comfortable for long editing sessions or gaming sessions. The cable seems really nice. So we have two aux cable for mic and speaker with an USB for powering the RGB, I guess. Also, we have a mic attached for better sounding audio. The ear cushions feels really good. Altogether, it has a premium feeling to it. Also, we have a volume knob on the left side for controlling the volume. Okay, let me try this. So, after using it for some time, I can say the sound quality isn't the best, but it's very lightweight, so it's really comfortable to use, and for gaming I think you can obviously go for it. Also, the RGB on this headphone looks sick and it gives you a gamer vibe. Also, it's available on Amazon from today, and I will give all the links in the description, so go grab one for yourself. Now let's see what we have next. Okay, so this is the last product we have in the box, and I think it's a keyboard. So I'm gonna guess it's a new keyboard they have released a week ago. Shit man, it's not the new keyboard, though it's the better variant. I mean, the new keyboard they have released is membrane keyboard, and this is their mechanical one. But I use the same keyboard. I mean, I have this one already. Also, I have made a review of this keyboard a month ago. So if you want to know more about this keyboard, all the information are there. So I will pin the video link in the description. All I'm going to say for now is it's a very good keyboard. I have been using it for almost 2 years and it works like a charm. So do check that video out if you are interested in the keyboard. All the gears Redgear has sent is pretty amazing, but I don't need any of this. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give it all to you guys. So to get these gears, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, like this video, comment on this video, and let me know which one you want and what are you going to do with this. I will update you guys about this giveaway on my IG stories, so don't forget to follow me there. This is all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.